Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to check online if the file present in any computer or smartphone has any virus or not. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows computer. So if you're using a Mac computer, Linux computer or Chromebook computer or Android smartphones or iOS smartphones, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one name, Total, and you will see one website. So just click on it. Now here you can see here source file, just click on it. Now select your respective file which you want to check for any viruses. So let me check firstly this one, the archive file, then later on we'll check the other file also. So click on open. Now it will start scanning, and now you can see I don't have any viruses. So you can see here the reports, everything completely green. So if you see any red indications, then there might be some issues or any viruses present inside the respective file. So let us try once more with other application. Once again, click on the source file. Let me select these notes now. Click on open. So finally, both of my file present in my respective computer is completely free of viruses. So by using this website named as Total, you can easily check online if the file present in any computer or smartphone has any virus or not very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.